Hey, I'm Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. We put a 4-inch zone off-road lift kit on it with a exhaust spacer, some 20x12 Moto 962 wheels in a gloss black and milled edge finish, and some 35 1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tires. We also put a 50-inch light bar on the windshield and a Mopar 10th anniversary hood. Our tips and tricks for the 4-inch zone off-road lift, it's relatively simple. You have your cam adjustment bolts, but your spacer, your bump stop on your front axle. If you try to install the bump stop and then put your spring on it, you are going to find that it is next to impossible to install. So we recommend drilling the hole, putting the bump stop inside of the spring, and then installing the spring, then putting the bolt through your bump stop. Otherwise, it is going to be next to impossible for you to install it. Besides that, these tires and wheels, it is a classic wheel. Dealers, if you're looking for a wheel to put on a car to go sell at the auction, this is a great option. Everybody loves them. They're just clean and classy. The tires, they're average tires. Great for the price. They're not a Toyo or a Nitto, but they are half the price and they perform well. Besides that, the hood's a piece of cake to install, and the light bar, you just take off these 5 bolts on both sides and you're good to go. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you're looking at this Jeep and you're saying, Michael, I wish I could just buy that Jeep and go ahead and own it, rather than going out, finding a Jeep, buying it, bringing it to you, having you lift it, and then getting it back. I just want it already done. Go to our website, central-alps.com, go to our inventory page, and we're going to have posted all of the vehicles that we've built for dealers that are currently for sale. So the idea is you can go to that website and just pick out the one that you want and then have it the next day, essentially. So also, if you want some of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, the bumper, hood, light bar mounts, rails, door skins, armor, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.